Hello world, this is Shiraj. Welcome to this channel. In the last video, we discussed the introduction part of Microsoft Word 2019 training. In this video, we are going to discuss how we can create a document, how we can open a document, and compatibility modes of Microsoft Word 2019 training. So let's get started. Word files are called documents. Whenever you start a new project in Word, you will need to create a new documents, which can either be a blank documents or you can start your work from a templates. You also need to know how to open from an existing document as well. So in this lesson number 2, we are going to discuss all of these. Once you start this Microsoft Word 2019, you will get this start screen. And from here, you can create a new document. To create a new document, you can come to this home group and you can click on this blank documents and you will get a document one document. The next way to create a new documents, you can go to the backstage view. You can click on the new control to create a new documents, and you can here you can find these blank documents. You can click on these blank documents, then you will get a new documents. Now you can see the title bar document 2. Another way we can come to this quick access toolbar, and here we have a control new. You can check in this new control, and the next time you can click on this new control to create a new documents. Now you can see document 3. Another way you can create a new document using shortcut key. To create a new document using shortcut key, you have to press Control plus N to create a new document. Then the new documents will be created. Now you can see the document number 4. So these are the ways you can create a new documents in Microsoft Word 2019. Now let's see how we can create a document from the templates. A template is a pre-designed document you can use to create a new document in a quick manner. Templates often include a custom formatting and pre-designed designs, so you can save a lot of times when you're going to start a new projects. So now let's see how we can start a new document from a template. To create a new document using a template, you can go to the backstage view. Then once you go to the backstage view, you will see the start screen again. And here we have blank documents, and here we have a couple of templates. And if you want to have more templates, you can come to this more templates. You can click here, then you will get this screen. And here we have a search bar, then you can search your templates. Also, some of the templates are listed out here. And you can see here, you can see a resume and a calendar and different templates we have. You can see a certificates, and also you can see a group of templates. Here we have business templates, and you can see kind of a business templates. You can see kind of a labels and business cards models under this business group. You can click on the back and you can see a kind of a cards, flyers, letters, educations, and different templates we have from the Microsoft Cloud. And here you can see a search bar, and from this search bar you can search kind of a template. For example, if I need to have research paper templates in APA styles, I can type APA. Then I can hit the enter key. Then you can see APA style report, APA style paper. Like that, you can download these templates and you can start to work. You don't need to spend more timing on this formatting and other designing. We'll click on this back. Here I'm going to download a template. Here we have a vivid shape event brochure. And if I want to prepare a brochure, I don't need to create from start. I can start from the templates to save more time. So I'm going to click on this template. I can see this screen. Then here we have a screen to download this template. And here we have a create button to create this one. Then you can click on this create button to download this templates. Yes, now it is downloaded. And here you can see all these designs and patterns, and the formatting of the fonts are done already. Then you need to replace the text and other details that you want to have. Here you don't need to spend more time. Here already everything's are set perfectly. So that's what I said in the previous video. The template is a half-boiled document. We can start all the works, all the other rest of the works from the middle. So you can replace the text here, then you can replace the address, and you can contact details, everything. So you can do it in a quick manner, and you can complete your work in a short period of time. Now let's see how we can open an existing documents. To open an existing document, we can come to this backstage view, and here you can find open. You can click on this open. Then here you can see the screen. The right side you can see documents which you have accessed recently. And again, you can see the folder that we have accessed recently. And also you can pin a document. Here we have a pin icon, push pin icon, and you can click on this push pin icon to pin these documents in the pin list. Like that, you can pin a folder as well for easy access to access a folder in a quick way. We can pin a document. For example, if I want to have this exam folder again and again, I can click on this push pin icon. Then this folder will be listed out under this pinned item. Then you can access this folder in a frequent manner. And here we have a OneDrive, and you can click on this OneDrive. You can access a folder if you have a file in a cloud. And we will be discussing this OneDrive in a separate lesson. And here we have this PC, and here also you can find a folder and we can open a document. And here we have add a place, and we'll be discussing this in a separate lessons under this OneDrive. Here we have browse button. You can find a place in your computer and you can find the documents. Here I have a lecture 1 folder, and if I want to open this course specification document, you can select this document, then you can click on this open to open this document. That's fine. Sometime you may get this protective view, then you want to give allow to edit this document. You can click on this enable editing to edit this one. Then only the changes will be saved. You can open an existing document from a shortcut key as well. The shortcut key to open an existing document in Microsoft Word 2019 is Control plus O. Then you can call the screen, then you can do all of the rest of the work. Now let's discuss what is compatibility mods. Sometimes you may want to work with the documents which were created in earlier versions of Microsoft Word, for example, 2010, 2007, and 2003. When you're opening these kinds of documents, you will see the compatibility mods in the title bar. Here you can see title of the document. Here we have a course specification ismict.docx, and within square parentheses, you can see compatibility mods. So now we can realize this particular document was created in a previous version of Microsoft Word. So if we want to enjoy the all features and functions of Word 2019, you want to convert this document. Otherwise, you won't get all kind of features which is available in 2019 when you're going to edit this document. So now let's see how we can convert this document into the latest version. It means the 2019 version. To convert this document, you can go to the backstage view. We can get the screen, and here we have info. You can click on this info, and here we have this screen. Here you can see the compatibility mods, and here we have convert. Now I'm going to click on this convert. Now you will get this dialog box. Your documents will be upgraded to the newest file format. While you will get to use all of the features in Word, this may cause minor layout changes. So when you're going to upgrade this document to the latest version, you may have some little changes in the layout. Then you can fine tune in later. Now we'll click OK to convert these documents. Now you can see the title bar. Here we have a title and the file extensions only. No compatibility mode. It means it is converted into 2019 version. That's all in this video. If you have any queries in this lesson, we can comment in the comment box. Thank you very much, guys. We'll meet in the next video.